Okay, so we start trading here. Let's see, here is strong selling pressure. I take a lot option. Okay, why I take a lot option, just I explain. But my entry point is not good. Actually I want to enter here after finish this candle. Why I just explain. As you can see, it's very strong downtrend, so it's better I take another trade here, lot option. Okay, this is good entry point. Why I want to trade here, just I am showing very strong downtrend, and here in this candle some rejection of seller, and this is round number. Okay, round number main, it's 700. Okay, so that's why I take a lot option. Okay, I win this trade. Okay, why I do trade randomly, I explain. Don't try to trade every candlestick, you just wait and analyze market. So market it's buyer area. Okay, this is buyer area. Buyer area is here. Okay, it's risky, it's a large candlestick. Okay, I take a lot option. Why I take a lot option, I just explain. Just see, it's buyer area. Previously this two candlestick too strong. Okay, that's why I take a lot option. Okay, I cannot trade here directly. I'll trade on the next candle. Just see so many rejection in this area. I take her higher option. Why I take her option? Because I see there is a breakout candlestick. That's why I take her option. Even I lost, it's ranging market. The her market reverse. But problem is this candlestick too strong candle. These two candlestick. So there is market will go more up at this level. Okay, just see. It's buyer area. I missed this trade. I take a lot option because next candle must be bearish candlestick. Just see why I take a lot option. Just see previous all candle is red and huge selling pressure, and this candle have some rejection of seller. That's why I take a lot option. And this is also seller area. Some seller is here. Okay, no problem. I lost this trade. Euro ZBB. So okay, make connection problem. This candle made a doji candlestick. That's why I lost. Okay. Now I take a lot option. Net connection problem. So because I lost previous candle, if I take here order, because I draw this line, it's seller area, because some strong seller is here. I lost this trade because of my entry point. Okay, I win this trade. GBP cat. Okay, I choose random pair. Okay, this pair no have 1 minute trading. GBP odd. I take her option. Okay, it must be a bullish candlestick. Just see. How strong this candle in this range. Very strong candle broke. That's why I check her option. And again see this force of buyer. Just see. So this is another pair. It's downtrend. Next round number is here. Okay, I take her option. Okay, it's good. Why I take her option? Just see, it's round number, and previously market respect this round number, and just these two candlesticks, see, very strong candle. So after this trade I will finish this video. If you really want to learn trading in binary, and if you really want to trade with your own confidence, then must contact me. After my courses you will be able to 100% trading with your own confidence, no doubt. And you can beat any kind of market. You can analyze how to trade properly in binary and forex both. Okay, my charts were only $100, so just contact me and just show my result here. Okay, just see. So thank you for watching my video. If you really want to learn binary, just contact me. I will teach you actually how to trade properly in binary. Okay, thank you.